Road trip with me. Road trip with me. Doo-ba-doo.
After camping at the Grand Canyon, it's time for day 3 of our adventure in Las Vegas, Sin City, home of gambling, and also the world's finest bidet. Just joking, according to the cops, that is not a bidet. And also, this sign was misleading. And what is the Eiffel Tower doing here? I don't know, but our destination is the Hard Rock Hotel, where Psycho Fest was going on at the same time as this bikini contest. It was crazy. People were swinging from the rafters. Also, Danzig was there. The main reason for this trip is to see our friends in Forming the Void. They were playing in front of a packed house and did great. As far as keto stuff, I scraped the toppings off of this pizza because we didn't have time for a decent meal. So I just quoted Rick Harrison from Pawn Stars and said, that's the best I can do. After the show, I got a Rockstar Meat Lover's omelet at Mr. Lucky's, which is located inside the hotel.